sure that you have subscribed my channel and watched the previous video. So let's start. So guys, in the previous video we have learned the types of cell: unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms and acellular organisms. On the basis of cell organization, there are two types: prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So we have learned about cell shape, the different types of cell. So today our first topic is protoplasm. Protoplasm is a living substance of cell. It is a colorless, translucent fluid. Protoplasm consists of cytoplasm, nucleus and other cell organelles. All the living cell organelles contains protoplasm. So guys, the basic structure of cell contains cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cell membrane, it is called as the plasma membrane. It is the selectively permeable protective cover of the cell. It is a living part of the cell. It is present in all type of the cell. Before telling about the structure of the cell membrane, I would like to tell that cell membrane was coined by Carnegie and C. Kramer in 1855. So let's move to the structure of cell membrane. The cell membrane is a living, ultra-thin, elastic and selectively permeable membrane. It is made up of lipids, proteins and carbohydrates. It has fine pores through which substance may enter or leave the cell. The thickness of cell membrane is about 7 micrometer. The membrane organization of cell membrane is explained by three models known as lipid model, Lemire model and the fluid mosaic model. Out of the three models, the fluid mosaic model is latest and accepted by the most of the scientists. This model was proposed by Singh and Nicholson in the year of 1972. According to the model proposed by Singh and Nicholson, the cell membrane is made up of a continuous bilayer of phospholipids and proteins. The lipids and membrane proteins are dispersed in a mosaic arrangement. These membrane proteins belong in two categories: intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic proteins are found permanently embedded in the lipid bilayer, and extrinsic proteins are found either on the outer surface or in the inner surface of the membrane. This is the reason why Singh and Nicholson call this protein a number of protein icebergs floating in a sea of lipids. Now a topic is movement of substance through cell membrane. The mechanisms involved are passive transport, active transport and bulk transport. Passive transport. Passive transport refers to the movement of substance from one part of the cell without use of energy. The passive transport usually occurs down the concentration gradient. The passive transport occurs by two ways: diffusion and osmosis. These two topics will be covered in the next video. Active transport. It is a fast process and requires expenditure of energy to transport molecules. Energy required is obtained from ATP molecules. Bulk transport. It is the mode of transport of large quantities of materials like macromolecules, food particles. There are two types of bulk transport: endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis, the ingestion of food and other substance by the plasma membrane of the cell from an external medium, is called endocytosis, and the process in which the membrane of a food vacuole fuses with the plasma membrane to eliminate its waste contents into surrounding medium is called exocytosis or cellular vomiting or effugy. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and please make sure that if you loved it, you like, subscribe and comment on my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe it, and next part is coming soon. Thank you.